Hi, I'm Wendy Edwards, a K-12 account manager here at Test Out. One of the questions we get asked often at the beginning of school is, I have a dropped student, how do I return that license? The answer to that is you have Test Out, or one of us, return that license for you. Now we do have a return policy that the progress on the student's course is 2 hours or less. Now, we are a little lenient on that, so you can talk to your account manager if you're unsure of whether you can return a license or not. But let's go ahead and look and see what you can do as the instructor. Now, let's say I have a student in this first class who has dropped. Let's go ahead and check to see if the progress is around 2 hours or less. You can do that by selecting the More button on the right side. Select View Class Reports, and then run the product usage report. Look at the totals column. This will indicate the total progress spent within the course. So again, as long as it is around 2 hours or less, you can return that license. And if you have questions, just reach out to your account manager. The next step is to send an email to Test Out. And you can address that to k12@testout.com. If you forget that email address, go ahead and send this to your account manager. The information we will need is the student name and the course that the student has dropped. The login ID is helpful in case there are multiple students with the same name or students with multiple accounts. Now, the next thing you can do is unenroll the student from the class. Be aware that there is a misconception that if you unenroll a student from a class, it will automatically remove that license from the student account, and it does not. Again, this is something that Test Out will have to remove for you. But you as the teacher can go ahead and unenroll the student by selecting the box next to the student name and click Unenroll. Now, if you want to take that one step further, you can archive the student. To archive a student, go to the Students tab, find the student, select the box, go up to Actions, and Archive Student. This will remove the student from your active student list. Once Test Out has notified you that the license has been returned, you can go up to Actions, View Licenses, and see that a license has been returned to the license pool. Now you can go ahead and activate that license for another student.